keySkillset now offer new QuickBooks courses at 20% off. So, students can now learn QuickBooks, without signing up for it with Intuit. They can begin with the dashboard, where all the details of the linked bank and credit card accounts are available. This gives an insight into how the business is doing. Customized invoices, tracking expenses on the go like the mileage or snapping the store receipt is possible with QuickBooks. QuickBooks not only track the incoming expenses but also sorts them, and the receipt that was snapped is matched automatically. With customized tags available, they can go on to label and tag transactions, according to preference. It is possible to tag what's important like seasonal promotions and marketing channels. So, get started with QuickBooks now. To relearn and retain the concepts for a longer period, keySkillset is the most suitable simulation-based LMS platform. Incorporating the mouse-free shortcuts and the spaced repetition methodology, where the user can practice at one's own pace and time. The focus is on building the muscle memory in this, ensuring that the user is on the right path to increasing their speed and efficiency in using QuickBooks. Why wait then? Sign up now. www.keyskillset.com